So we just got 4 of the Mobula V2 frames, and I don't know if you guys are going to have an issue with this in shipment, but they're actually slightly bent, as you see. That one right there. Yeah. Sorry if it's out of focus. There you go. So we're going to try something and see if we can get these fixed, so everybody can fix their frames without having to ship them back or complain at the manufacturer, the shipment people, whatever it is. So I'm just going to stick them in some hot water, see what happens. Alright, here we go. Just let it sit in there for a second. I got it almost to a boil, but not quite. Looks like it's kind of forming back, actually. Cool. Oh yeah, that's a lot more even. Perfect. I'm not even lying. Straight up, just fixed this entire frame. It's completely straight now. That is remarkable. I am shocked beyond belief. Sorry if this is out of focus, but you guys just found a way to fix these broken frames, or bent frames, whatever you want to call them, frames. And you're like, oh my god, that frame looks disgusting. What happened? They shipped it like they didn't know what they were even doing. But yeah, just stick it in the some half boiling water. You don't even really need it boiling. If I find any more, I think I got one more that's not totally straight. I'm just gonna throw another one in there, throw another one in there, throw all the other ones in there. Make sure they're all straight. So these V2 frames, I'm looking forward to them. They already feel a lot more less brittle, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So these are going to hold up in crashes. I can already feel it. Very nice. I can't wait to put this on mine. I still have mine together, but I have broke mine in a few places. You know, right here where everybody breaks them. But these, I mean, they're nice. And they're still stiff. So, alright guys. You guys have a good one.